Cleaning the bathroom is a weekly ritual. I will take you through my process, sharing tips and insights that have transformed this chore into a habit of discipline. Before cleaning, I gather all the necessary materials and put on gloves to protect my hands from bacteria. I start by removing all items from the sink area. I repurpose all clothes I was planning to throw away. These pieces of clothing work wonders for scrubbing surfaces and be discarded after using them. I use a cup of laundry liquid soap for everything. Cleaning the sink reduces the risk of bacteria and viral infections, minimizes dust and mold, which can cause allergies. I also use an old scrub sponge, which is very helpful because I throw it away right after cleaning. When scrubbing, I pay special attention to the faucet and handles as they can harbor a lot of grime. Sometimes I use a small brush to clean around the drain. This prevents clogs and keeps the sink smelling fresh. Regular cleaning reduces exposure to bacteria that can cause skin issues. It's important for a healthy work-life balance. Next, I move on to cleaning the mirrors. Clear, streak-free mirrors can make a significant difference in the bathroom's overall appearance. After scrubbing, I rinse the sink with warm water and dry it with clean cloth to avoid water spots. This process not only makes the sink sparkle, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of the cleaning session. A clean sink is like a blank canvas, ready for the day's activities. I use a cloth to wipe the mirror in a circular motion. This type of cloth is excellent for glass surfaces as it doesn't leave length behind. I pay special attention to the edges and corners of the mirror and ensuring they are as clean as the main surface. Cleaning the mirror is a quick task, but it has an immediate impact. Seeing a clear reflection can boost my mood and motivate me to keep going. Cleaning the toilet is often considered the least pleasant part of bathroom cleaning, but it doesn't have to be that way. With the right approach, I can be done efficiently and effectively. And I start by removing all items from the sink area and using the piece of cloth I use for cleaning the mirrors. I clean the dust and remove every single stain prior to scrubbing it. Cleaning the toilet reduces the risk of bacteria and viral infections and limits the spreads of germs and pathogens. I apply a little bit of liquid soap into the scrub and then start cleaning around the rim and inside the bowl. I let it sit for a few minutes to break down any stains and germs. I also use alcohol spray after I finish so I can clean the exterior of the toilet, including the handle, the seat, and these areas are often touched and are frequently touched and can be a perfect environment for germs, so I spray it with alcohol. Using the toilet brush, I scrub the bowl. Using that, I can reach under the rim and around the edges. Knowing that this task is done gives me a sense of accomplishment and cleaning a healthier environment.
On my road
After scrubbing, I flush the toilet and give it a final wipe with a clean cloth to remove soaps or stains. The trash bin is another area that requires regular attention. Here's how you can do it. I start by emptying the trash bin and removing the trash. I dispose the trash and replace it with a new bag. But before doing that, I always try to clean and wash the trash bin because it's something that I like to do every time I clean the bathroom. This allows any smells to go away, and cleaning the bin actually makes it smell fresh. And I sprinkle a small amount of baking soda sometimes at the bottom before placing a new bag. A clean trash bin helps preventing unpleasant odors and makes the bathroom a more pleasant place to be. Mopping the bathroom floors is the final step in my cleaning process, and it not only removes dirt and grime but also gives the bathroom a polished finish. I start mopping from the farthest corner of the bathroom, working my way towards the door, and this ensures that I do not walk on the fresh mopped floor. After mopping, I let the floor air dry. Mopping the floor is the final touch that brings the whole cleaning process together. It leaves the bathroom looking fresh and clean. I have discovered several tips that make the process more efficient and enjoyable. Use all clothes for cleaning. Repurpose all clothes as cleaning rags. They are excellent for scrubbing surfaces and can be discarded after use. Finish with rubbing alcohol. After cleaning, I use rubbing alcohol to disinfect all surfaces, and it evaporates quickly, leaving the surfaces clean and germ-free. Also, wear comfortable non-slipping shoes. It promotes safety and comfort after a while and are important during the cleaning process. I take the time to wash all creams and containers to remove dust and grime. This not only keeps them clean but also prolongs their lifespan. Stay organized. Keeping cleaning supplies organized and easily accessible makes the process smoother and more efficient. Great job cleaning your bathroom. I hope you have an awesome week.